Welcome back, guys. Time for some phonics fun. I hope you're ready for learning. You do remember all your sounds, don't you? Here's an opportunity to go through all of them alone. I'm sure you're going to have some fun. Don't forget to make some words with each letter of the alphabet. When you're done, come back to your video. Now, just like our other phonics, here is a little story about a friend of ours. This is our friend S. S was a bit lonely and decided to go and make a new friend. S came across the letter H. They decided to be best friends, and together they made the sound sh. Can you say that sound for me? Sh. Now, let's see who Sh visited. Sh was very popular. They had many friends, but here are a few. Sh-oo, shoe. Sh-ip, ship. Sh-l, shell. Sh-op, shop. Now, those were just a few of the friends that Sh has. Can you think of any other ones? Write them down and ask your mom or dad to help with spelling. Let's go through these 4 words that we've learned. Sh-oo, shoe. Sh-ip, ship. Sh-l, shell. Sh-op, shop. Let's say that again. Sh-oo, shoe. Sh-ip, ship. Sh-l, shell. Sh-op, shop. Can you make sentences with these 4 words? Why don't you try? It's time for me to grab some lunch. Before you go, you can make some sentences with these 4 new words. I know that you're going to do a great job. Remember, if you need any help, ask Mom and Dad for spelling. I'm sure you're going to make some beautiful sentences. Good luck, everybody.